Alex, I was hoping you could maybe go through your daybook and find an example of a reflection that you've written so far this year.
Okay. Well, I've written.
Maybe let me sit side by side with you so I can.
Let me see if I can find it.
Okay.
Here it is.
Okay.
I did a reflection on the power of observation. Miss Daniel was telling us most writers they would like go down to a cafe or something and they would just write about what they see.
Yeah.
Well, we all did the same thing at the front office. So we did a reflection on some of our writing. So I highlighted some of the parts.
Okay. Do you want to read some of that to me?
Okay. Everybody is busy. Everybody is going to the elementary part and the middle school part. Then it gets quiet. Some of the office ladies are talking. Everything is the way it should be. The office ladies are working on the computer, making phone calls, making copies, or laminating something. Parents coming in and leaving. Teachers stopping by and leaving. And then everything is quiet, and all you can hear is the shoes of people walking by and the machines hard at work. You can also hear the faint whispers of the staff talking to each other. Children in their classrooms are exclaiming with joy as they are learning. This is how it is like at the front office.
Okay.
So I highlighted some of the parts here and I wrote down in the margin. This is the story that talks about how if you look and listen carefully, there's a lot that you can see and hear.
Okay. All right. So, how often are you reflecting in class?
Well, sometimes after we do a writing, we just write down a reflection in our notebook about what we've done throughout our writing time.
Okay. And so, what kinds of things? What kinds of things have you been writing when you did that?
Well, sometimes we write reflections at the end of the day about what we've done throughout the whole day, and sometimes we just do a reflection about our writing.
Okay. And do you think those reflections help you as a learner?
Yes.
How?
Because they help me by kind of like telling myself what I've been learning by doing this piece of writing.
Okay. Anything else that it does? So why do you think you do these reflections?
It helps me a lot with my learning, and it can also help others if they ever wanted to do a reflection. Like, if I was to keep, when I went off to 6th grade, if I was to let Miss Diana and Miss Stephanie keep my writer's notebook to show the future 5th graders, kind of the reflections would help them to know what I've been learning by writing down this piece.
Okay. Great. All right.